To modify quizzes in D2L with differentiated release conditions, you first want to click on the down arrow to the right of Assessment on the navigation bar and then select Quizzes and Exams. Click on the hyperlink for the quiz that you would like to modify. Click on the down arrow next to Availability Dates and Conditions. Scroll down to Manage Special Access and click on the blue hyperlink. Click on Add Users to Special Access. Click on Enforced Time Limit and then give the new time amount that you would like for the student to get. Click on Assign an Alternative Grace Period and give them additional time to finish their assignment. Then click on Assign an Alternative Behavior for exceeding the time limit and set how much time you would like for them to have if they do go over the time limit. Click in the box to the left of the student that you would like to give the special access to, and then click Save. You will now be able to see the name of the student, the time limit that they have, the new due date that they have, and when the quiz will be available from and until. If all of this is correct, click Save and Close.